Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Adam, and if you love luxury fashion, then you're definitely going to love my channel. So make sure you like and subscribe, turn on those notification bells for all of the latest updates, and today, let's get right into it. So recently my birthday has passed, and I did go ahead and I did post a video about what I did get for my birthday. And one of my birthday gifts was this amazingly cute La Medusa bag in the size medium with black and gold hardware. I have not yet opened the bag, so let's get right into it. So for the bag, it does come in this giant box, which if you do know, I do have the purple lilac version of this bag. And if you remember that video, remember me saying that the box was way too small for the actual bag, so it would kind of bend like the top handle of it. The bag did fix itself, like the box wasn't that big of an issue, but it was a little small and not something that you want to deal with. But this box is definitely so much bigger, so I definitely do think that Versace heard me. So immediately taking it out of the box, I seen that it did not have any tissue paper to like protect it from sliding around all over the box. So that was definitely like a con. However, it does come in this dust bag. Very cute, very normal. It's a, nice dust bag that says Versace right here. Here is the Versace La Medusa bag in the color black, size medium with black and gold hardware. This one is so cute. I did go ahead and I did inspect this one already, and there's absolutely like no flaws with it. It's so cute and so perfect. This one is made out of calfskin leather. It does have the top handle on the back. I do love that the golding on the Medusa head is definitely more yellow gold than it is on the Virtus bag, so definitely a plus with me. And then, yeah, this bag, like, it feels like so soft, very cool. It does have like the clasps for the chain and the shoulder strap. This one, like, I'm really, really loving so far. It's really, really cute. And then, it does say Versace down here at the bottom. I will be doing a close-up on this bag very shortly. So when the bag is open, you can see that it's super, super black on the inside. Of course, you can see like the hardware where it like locks up top. And then you do see like the bullet details right here to like hold like the flap down. And then when you look inside, you do have one zip pocket back here. So you have one zipper and one giant open area, which is really useful. This one does honestly fit everything that I do need in it, so that's really cool. And then up here you do have two interior pockets as well. So two pockets here, and then the giant opening, and then the zip pocket. This bag you can really do like a lot of stuff with, and this one 100% worth it. So I did go ahead and I did throw the chain on the actual bag, and this one, it looks so cute together. I absolutely love it. You can tell that this one is going to be a great, great, great everyday bag for me. And here we have this amazing close-up of the La Medusa bag in the size medium with black coloring and gold hardware. We can see that this is made out of calfskin leather, and the leather is grained, so we can see the little pebbles on it. For the back of the bag, it is simple and plain, and it does say Versace at the bottom. For the side of the bag, you can see that it does have the gold hoops where you can hang the crossbody strap. And once again, I did buy some separate gold hoops so I could hang the chain on at the same time. So one accessory that I thought would be really cute to pair with this bag was my Virtue's card holder. Now, even though I did plan on selling this card holder, I did think it would be really cute to go ahead and hook right here on the bag, as you can see. And then, having this dangle off the bag would be really cute just to have for an accessory. So as you can see, hanging off of the bag, it is really cute and goes with the chain perfectly. And another really cute accessory to pair with this bag is the Jacquemus Little Chiquito. Now, this is the like super petite version, the one that's like so super tiny, the size of your hand. I think this is so, so cute with the bag. Of course, they do make this little one in a lavender version as well, which would totally go with the purple La Medusa that I also have. However, Versace actually makes something as well. It's a miniature La Medusa bag that's supposed to go on this one. However, it is like kind of like definitely like so much bigger than the Jacquemus. So I do like the Jacquemus better because it is a little smaller, but definitely a lot of cute options for this bag. So when you open the bag, it is really good because when you open it, it is very, very spacious and roomy. You do have your entire interior compartment right here, and then you will have one zipper back here, which is a really nice zipper, opens very easily. And then you do have two interior pockets right here in the front, very small, but like they will fit like your phone and everything that you do need in it. So this bag is really great, and yeah, it definitely fits everything that I do need. Okay, so now I'm going to show you what fits in this bag, and my first item are Lysol wipes. I really do like having Lysol wipes because you never know when you're going to be in a dirty situation. So just to ensure that everything is, nice sanitized and always clean, I do like to carry these just so, I feel like protected in that way of knowing that I do have them. The next item I'm going to do is this little guy right here. Now, this one I did mention in another video. I cannot show this on camera, but this is for my own personal safety. I haven't had to use this too many times, but it has come in handy before, so I'm going to go ahead and put that right inside, so that fits lovely. Next is my comb, because obviously we all want to make sure our hair is nice and dandy. Some small items that I do want to fit in here would be some floss. Floss is always good when you're in the situation where you need floss. Next is lotion, especially because we are going into the winter season, and I want to make sure that nothing is dry, so always have lotion on me. And then, of course, we have my phone charger, so we're going to throw the phone charger in there. We're going to go ahead and grab some hand sanitizer as well. Hand sanitizer is always very important. Like I mentioned in my last video, I love oil pads, especially, since I have oily skin. So I'm going to go ahead and put the oil pads in here as well. Next, I'm going to go ahead and grab my Chanel dust bag. I usually have 2 of these. To be honest, I do keep my condoms in here because, I am single and you always do have to be careful. And then my other dust bag does have my face masks. So I'm going to go ahead and just throw that one in there for now. And next will be my wallet. So this is my favorite wallet. This is my cute little card holder from Target. I've repurchased this one twice now because it's so good. It has this open pocket back here, and then you can zip it and unzip it. I definitely really love this one. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in there. I never carry cash on me because I always use my debit card, but I also do love to carry Tic Tacs. So I'm going to go ahead and throw my Tic Tacs in here. And then my last item, of course, are sunglasses. Now, I do love to carry sunglasses. These ones are Versace, and this case doesn't really fit in it because it is really bulky and big. I could if I took some things out, or if, this is the only item I wanted left to put inside. But since I don't want to scratch these up, I'm just going to grab my normal pair. So these are my Michael Kors ones, and I don't really care if these ones get scratched up. So I'm just going to go ahead, throw it in there, and then voila, we can see everything does fit nicely in there. We do have plenty of room, especially if you just don't throw your items in there and stock it a little bit better. So you have plenty of room in here for much more items, and yeah, I absolutely love it. So now we're going to go ahead and close it, and then pick it up, and voila, we can hear it lock, and it's nice, sturdy, and ready to go. Okay, and here we have all of my lovely Versace bags, and these ones are so, so cute. I really do love them all. We have the purple La Medusa next to the black La Medusa. Behind that, we have the top handle, the Versace Virtus Bag. And then next to that, we have the mixed print Hobo bag, the shoulder bag. All of these are absolutely so cute, and I really do love them all. All of these bags do have a review on them, so you can watch them all in the description below. So the only difference with these two bags would be the chain, the quality of them. This one is definitely much more acrylic. You can hear it when it goes like that. And then this one is definitely more of a chain. You can definitely hear that one, how that's different. So that is the only differences when it does come to the bags, is the quality of the chains. For this bag, it does come with the box, the dust bag, the crossbody strap, and the other chain. And then also all of the authenticity cards. So would I recommend this bag to you? 100% yes, absolutely. These bags are so good. They really do fit everything that you do need in it, and they're kind of great for every day. So these La Medusa bags, I would 100% recommend. To be honest, I would recommend both of these bags. Both of these bags, they come in so many different colors and they're so cute, especially paired together. I honestly don't know which one I love more, if I love the lilac one more, or if I love this one more, the black and gold. Definitely leave a comment down below and tell me which one is your favorite. And yeah, these ones are so cute. I can't wait to have them sitting next to each other. Okay, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Make sure you like and subscribe, comment down below, and have a great day. Au revoir.